So what we're doing today is we're going to put the outside frame on so we can begin running stringers. What you're going to need for this is two 13/16 pieces of brass, rectangle brass. What we're doing here, this is the one I put on while you weren't looking a little bit ago. Okay, we're just going to solder these under here. Okay, and that will be where these pieces go, right here. Okay, sorry about that. There we go. So that's how we're going to do that. All right. And you'll notice somebody didn't solder their rectangle on square. Oops. But for those of you just starting in this, it might be worthwhile to make two so you can learn on one and give it to your best buddy, and he'll think you just are the greatest guy in the world. And then you can keep number two because you learned everything to not do on number one. So you get a twofer. You get to make your best friend happy and you get a better model. Is that cheesy? No, not at all. That is just smart building, I think. Okay, what I'm doing here with my straight edge is just making sure I got these two pieces pretty much in line with one another. Now what we're going to do is come in and put these outside pieces in. Okay, just like so. You're going to need some pieces of brass that are, guess what, 13/16. What I'm about to show you is one way to maybe speed up your build if you're interested in that. You can use these hex nuts like so. So what I'll do is I'm going to put a whole string of them in here. Going to take a quick look here and see that we can go back about 2 inches before we have to worry about where our axles are going to go and wheel wells and all that stuff. So we are right there. We're actually going to pull this last one out. So what I'm explaining here is we need to leave some room for a pair of axles. So watch me here. I want to hold these parts in. Okay. There. So I'm using this piece of brass with the magnet behind it to keep all of this in line and tight. So I'm going to just solder all these ends. Then I'll take the nuts out and I'll solder the front pieces, okay? Just a way to speed things up a little bit. Rather than and you get a little more consistency. You'll notice it's not perfect, but we're doing this by hand. It won't be perfect. It'll be darn close, but it's not going to be perfect. But the reason I have this magnet way back here is because if I have it closer, guess what those little nuts are going to do? They're going to foobar and puke, and then you'll be mad and angry. As always, if you have any comments or questions, make sure you leave them in the comments section. I'm always welcome to learn new things, so if you have better ideas, I'm always interested in that. And like I said, you have homework. If you're building along with me, you can put all these in. We'll get the outside frame done, do that, and then you can put both sides in too. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment, share. I appreciate the love, and we'll see you next time. Bye.